Super funds have the potential to invest in the crypto realm, but this will imply change for the altcoin industry. Let's take a look at how this could alter and what the future holds for crypto if super funds joins in. Also, how the Bitcoin price drop depleted worldwide cryptocurrency markets by hundreds of billions of dollars. Keep an eye on today's video for all the specifics on super funds' prospective investments in the crypto realm, as well as other crypto news. Bitcoin's slide from record highs is a warning for crypto investors. Bitcoin reached an all-time high of around $67,000 just a week ago. However, investors have been abandoning the world's most valuable cryptocurrency in favor of the town's newcomer, the Shiba Inu. The price of one Bitcoin sank more than 5% on Wednesday to roughly $59,000, 12% drop from last week's high. A decrease that steep in such a short time would be called a market correction for any other asset, such as a stock or bond. It's business as usual for Bitcoin. Bitcoin investors have come in terms with the fact that it's a volatile currency. Despite the fact that CoinMarketCap lists over 13,000 cryptocurrencies, including Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, as well as other obscure tokens with even more bizarre names like Elon's Marvin, Dogelon Mars, Baby Floki Billionaire, and Kitty Inu. Bitcoin remains the most popular digital currency. This is unlikely to change anytime soon, particularly with the introduction of Bitcoin exchange-traded funds. Last week, the ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF became live, followed by the Valkyrie Bitcoin Strategy ETF immediately after. Some cryptocurrency specialists predict that prices will reach $100,000 by the end of the year or early in 2022. However, there is evidence that some traders are losing interest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. The price of an asset cannot continue to rise at this rate indefinitely. Even with this week's decline, Bitcoin prices have more than doubled this year. Bitcoin is still a new asset class with a high level of volatility, so investors should proceed with caution. Any investment should be treated with caution and should be considered speculative. MasterCard says any bank or merchant on its vast network can soon offer crypto services. The cryptocurrency economy is about to grow. CNBC has heard that MasterCard is set to announce that any of the hundreds of banks and millions of merchants on its payments network will soon be able to integrate cryptocurrency into their goods. This includes Bitcoin wallets, credit and debit cards that generate crypto rewards and allow digital assets to be spent, and loyalty schemes that allow you to convert airline or hotel points into Bitcoin. To do so, the payments network is teaming with Bakkt, a crypto startup recently spun off by Intercontinental Exchange, which will provide custodial services for customers who join up behind the scenes, according to executives at the two companies. We want to offer all of our partners the ability to more easily add crypto services to whatever it is they're doing, Sherry Haymond, MasterCard's executive vice president of digital partnerships, stated in an interview. Our partners, be they banks, fintechs, or merchants, can offer their customers the ability to buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrency through an integration with the Bakkt platform. The revelation could result in a large increase in the number of people earning and spending Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in the United States. Along with Visa, MasterCard administers one of the most powerful global payment networks, with over 20,000 financial institutions around the world. According to the corporation, there are 2.8 billion MasterCards in use. Lincolnshire boy has £2 million of cryptocurrency seized by police. 17-year-old who cannot be identified for legal reasons used it to trick visitors of a digital gift certificate website into providing personal information. He took £6,500 in vouchers and used the money to buy Bitcoins, according to Lincoln Crown Court. The adolescent was sentenced to a year of rehabilitation. Prosecutor Sam Skinner said that the child created the false website from his bedroom in April 2020. According to the court, it was nearly identical to Love2 Shop's actual website, which sells gift vouchers. He then paid to advertise on Google, causing the fake website to appear above the real one when visitors search for it. According to the court, the child took down the site after a week, just as Love2 Shop began investigating him after a customer complaint. The adolescent from South Lincolnshire used the money to acquire Bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies, which have since skyrocketed in value. According to the court, police discovered 48 Bitcoins and a smaller quantity of other currency after his arrest in August 2020. At the time, they were worth £200,000. They're now worth a little over £2 million. Mr. Skinner said, according to him, the police investigation discovered almost 12,000 credit card numbers on the boy's computer, as well as the details of 190 97 PayPal accounts. The adolescent, who is now pursuing A-levels, pleaded to money laundering and fraud totaling £6,539 by false representation between April 9th and April 16, 2020. Judge Katarina Sojan Knight determined that he profited £2,141,720 from his actions and ordered that money to be taken from his assets. If he was an adult, he'd be going inside, the judge stated. I bet the teen's counting his lucky stars that he's a minor, so he isn't thrown into prison for the crime. Now that we've discussed some relevant crypto world news that's currently circulating the web, let's now get into the real reason we clicked on this video, and that is what's next for crypto if super funds come on board. Looking more and more like a possibility, so let's discuss the idea. Let's also have a look at the recent Bitcoin price plunge that had people worried for a minute. Stay tuned to the video to find out all these details regarding the cryptocurrency world. What's next for crypto if super funds come on board? One of Australia's top crypto fund managers has projected a rush of investment from super funds and financial advisors into the sector, but only if more work is done to educate investors and properly regulate the young asset class. According to The Age and the Sydney Morning Herald, Jeff Yu, the chief executive of Monochrome Asset Management and the former local head of global cryptocurrency exchange Binance, believes it's only a matter of time before the country's multi-trillion-dollar superannuation and financial advice sectors begin investing in crypto assets such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital assets have exploded in prominence in the last 18 months, thanks in part to the COVID-19 pandemic and accompanying government stimulus initiatives, which have attracted many younger investors. If super funds joins the crypto realm, they'll blossom and increase even more. Institutions and other large investors are also paying more attention to the once derived business, enticed by the potential for profit in an era where many other investment choices are hampered by historically low interest rates. So we won't know whether this is a good thing, whether super funds go ahead or not until it happens. Cryptocurrencies are only becoming more and more popular as the pandemic continues, and people are looking for diverse ways to earn money and ways they can do it from the comfort of their own home. It'll be a waiting game to see whether investors and such get the necessary information to be able to invest their super funds into the crypto world. Bitcoin price plunge wipes hundreds of billions from global cryptocurrency markets. Bitcoin's value plummeted overnight, causing alarm among cryptocurrency traders. In what is known as a flash crash, the cryptocurrency plunged by thousands of dollars in just a few minutes early on Wednesday night. It's currently trading at roughly $58,000, down more than $6,000 from earlier this week's levels. Hundreds of billions of dollars have been wiped from worldwide cryptocurrency markets as a result of the decline. A number of other cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum, Binance Coin, Cardano, Solana, and Ripple, have seen their prices fall as a result. It comes just a week after Bitcoin surpassed $67,000 as a new all-time high. According to blockchain data, long-term investors selling at high to take home winnings are contributing to the crash. This is normal after a price increase. However, it's also coincided with the filing of a new Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, ETF, by banking firm Direxion, which would gamble against the cryptocurrency's future price. According to a filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission in the United States, it'll be known as the Direxion Bitcoin Strategy Bear ETF. Last night's price drop is expected to attract a slew of new consumers attracted by the price drop. This year, the value of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies has skyrocketed. Total value of the crypto market is now estimated to be above $2.6 trillion. There you have it, all the latest news and drama in the cryptocurrency world. Looks like super funds are the next thing to join the crypto world, and how crazy was that Bitcoin price plunge? Definitely got some worried, whereas others got excited from it. Leave us a comment down below about whether or not you invest in cryptocurrencies, and if you do, what one do you invest in? We hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.